Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. First we need to open mirroring app on TV. So let me open mirroring app. So this is the name of the mirroring app, mirroring. So in your case, name of the app will be something else. For example, Miracast or screen mirroring app. You need to search for screen mirroring app on your TV, then open it. So let me open this app, then keep this screen open, please don't close it. Then take mobile phone, then open settings. So this is the icon of settings app, tap on this, then tap on connection and sharing, then tap on wireless display, then turn on wireless display, tap here. Now it's searching. Here you can see the name of the TV, tap on that. Now it's connecting. So after this connection, if you want to watch, for example, YouTube video on full screen on TV, you can just enable screen rotation on mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. See, it's working. So this way we can do screen mirroring. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.